Hello everybody, it's Rafa from fundedtrade.com with an update on my 150k challenge with the earn to trade. Today is the Monday, the 5th of October. Sorry. So it went really well today again. As you can see, my profit loss is over $8,000. That means I only have to make another say 15 points of ES to get funded. Let me show you briefly how I just had a couple of screenshots from the chart. So look at this today. This is a European Open. You see overnight, small, really tiny price gap. It came here, it filled it in. Price went up, came down. Anything can happen from here, really, isn't it? So it's hard to have a bias unless you analyze the market profile as we do in the trading room. So I kind of I did have a bit of a bullish bias today, and for some this long week can look like the movement is losing pace, it's losing strength, but it did the same earlier on. See, it's not like you can blindly trade those candlesticks. I show you with my indicator. I mean, these videos are not really to teach you trading, just to show you how the indicator is performing. Look at this signal, brilliant in the night. There was a valid signal up, say at 3364 when the candle closed. You could have taken profit if you aimed for the price gap fill or to get back to the open for the day. Was 15 points. I saw it this morning just when the price was here. I was really tempted to enter here short, but sometimes with this indicator, this is it. I mean, this could have been the end of the movement for all we know. Okay, you don't just start guessing the market. Okay, don't start foreseeing where stuff is gonna go. You don't know. You can just react and act on what you see. So on this, yes, we had a signal there, but so many candlesticks, so that means such a long time had passed already. This could have just as well changed. If I had another signal here, would have taken it short. So I wasn't really upset or anything on missing out this move. That's what's most important. Otherwise, you end up entering late and in the worst place. Then I had a brilliant signal for long when the market opened. Actually, this was 3356 was a strong level. So when I saw this losing pace, I wasn't really that convinced. I flattened out. I believe it was here. 3353 was one of these retracements here. But then I re-entered again because I didn't truly have any reason to not to stay in this trade. So already, you see, this is the candle that validates the signal. As soon as I closed, price showed up. So that's where I entered the first time. And then I entered again second time. So what happens is I entered, price went up nicely. When it retraced, and there was a good rotation back, I took my second entry. So today I had a little more risk. So I entered with 4 contracts altogether. But you see the first 2 contracts, stop loss was down here. So the risk was already on 17-18 points. Second contract, I only had a much smaller stop loss. Okay, so fact is, price started moving up nicely. Then I probably got lucky because news came out about Trump recovering. I believe that gave a bit of a push to the market. So when price came up here, see, this is a very nice move, nice pace. I took my profit because I wasn't far from the high of the day. It was an important level. I'm glad I did. Price retraced. At this point, I moved my stop loss up, not too close. So I got lucky, didn't get stopped out. Then on US Open, that was it. I mean, I was my stop loss was break even basically. So I had already 15 points in profit. I wasn't too scared to leave it open during the US Open, because when the American market opens, there are wide moves. I could have easily been stopped out, but I didn't manage to do that. Price just moved up nicely, and because 3370 is a really strong level, I close in profit here. Then I actually closed in profit with one contract. I wanted to leave a runner. Then this candle turned with the signal. It wasn't going to be validated because it's such a big candle, but that means that there is a divergence on many levels. So it felt silly to stay in and risk. I'm more than happy with my profit today, 36 points. That's almost $1,800. I mean, it's crazy. As it happens, price kept shooting up. Don't be greedy, be humble. This is a great trade as it is. What I want to say is that, and this is really important, with Earn to Trade, they're a brilliant company. They have a fantastic customer service. What I dislike is this one rule, which I believe is terrible, but they stick to it. And that's they don't only have the trailing drawdown, and the thing is that they calculate as well the unrealized profits. Okay, so if my trade went up 10 points from here, that's $1,000 in profit. If I don't take it, if I don't close this trade, and the price comes down and hits it for a break even, I believe my maximum drawdown hasn't moved, but I'm mistaken because I didn't take this profit that was offered to me from the market. The system is moving the drawdown up $1,000. So yeah, I believe that is. If I'm wrong, please correct me. But yeah, that's all I wanted to point out. So it's only one phase with Earn to Trade. I took my profit, happy. It's a great thing to when I follow the indicator and it works this way. So let's see tomorrow what happens. You take care. Be careful.